With the rugged woods at our back, we greet the sun. It shines in our eyes, an azure light, dwelling in breathlessness. We walk the long, drawn-out line that cuts across the vast land, because the world carved us on that line. Where do our footprints slip to? What sky spreads at the end of it? Even if the world that unfolds is not what we are given, to the unknown we run, carving sunrise, burning bright across the world.